Question 3, we need to find a perpendicular line, so one that goes at right angles to the given line that passes through this point. So we'll collect the information that we can. We know what our A value is. That one is going to be 1, 2, 3, so minus 3, 1, 2, 3. But again, when we go to find the formula of this line, so the given line, we know it has to be y equals mx plus c, but we can't go and cheat and find the c value just by having a look at it on here. Okay, we're going to have to work backwards. What they do give us is the x value here, so we can see that it crosses x when y is nothing. So we have that piece of information available to us, and we can also pick a point like this one here, and we can clearly see that the, I should probably write that in actually, so we've got 4, 3, we can clearly see that we've got a rise of 3 over a run of -1, okay? So we can start filling in some of this information. We know the gradient is going to be -3, okay? And we know that we don't know what c is, so we'll have to hunt this down first. Now we do have an x and a y value. Let's just use where it intersects the x-axis, okay? So we will go for y value of nothing equals -3 times 5 plus c. So we're going to have 0 equals -15 plus c. I'm going to add 15 to both sides, balance method, so we know that c is 15. Okay, so we've got our formula for our given line now. Y equals a gradient of -3 and a c value of 15. Okay, time to go looking for our perpendicular line. Okay, so our perpendicular line. Now, you need to remember that unlike parallel lines, the gradients of these two lines are not going to be the same, but we can use the gradient, so the first gradient being -3, to work out what the new gradient will be. Remember, flip it upside down so it becomes a third, and if it's negative it becomes positive, and vice versa. So our new gradient is 1/3. Okay, so again, we're going to be following the formula y equals mx plus c. What we do know is that the gradient is a third, and what we don't know is c. So we're going to take the x and y value, this one here, okay, of our new line, and we'll substitute it in. So if y is 3, I'm getting that from here, equals a third times -3 plus c. Remember, when you've got to multiply fractions, it's much easier to just make that a fraction, okay? So 3 will be 1 times -3. 3 times 3 is 3. So